The other day I had a vision. Not something loud, not something dramatic, but clear. A man standing in front of something big. Not a branch, not a distraction, a stronghold. An oak tree, deep roots, wide stance. Been there longer than him, and maybe even longer than his excuses. And he's got an axe. Now here's what's caught me. It wasn't just that he was swinging, but it was how he was holding it. Both hands. Not one hand with the other hand distracted. Not one hand committed, and the other hand in doubt. But both hands. Because if you ever tried to cut something real in your life, you already know. One hand ain't enough. See, some of us say we want freedom, but we're still holding on to fear with the other hand. Some of us say we trust God, but we grip in doubt like it's a backup plan. That tree didn't fall like that. Nah, strongholds require a rhythm, consistency, pressure, intentional strikes in the same place. Not one swing on Sunday and silence the rest of the week. You don't bring down something that's been deeply rooted in you for years with half-effort faith. And somebody said, make sure you're using the right tool, because effort without alignment will exhaust you. You can be passionate and still be ineffective. But when you get the right tool, and you get grounded in something real, something rooted deeper than your emotions, now every swing means something. Now every hit lands. And yeah, it'll take time. Because some of these trees, they're connected to pain, to habits, to survival modes we picked up when we didn't know how to do better. But just because it's been there for a long time, don't mean that it's supposed to stay. You know, I thought about Moses. He was called but hesitant. Then I thought about Daniel. Anointed but still had to fight. See, purpose don't remove the process, and calling don't cancel resistance. So when that man lifted that axe again, it wasn't just about strength. It was about decision. Now, I'm not stopping. I'm not switching hands. I'm not letting doubt interrupt what I know I've been called to break. And I had to ask myself, what changed in me? Because I remember when I was locked in, when I was in my word heavy, when I felt the line clear and focused. And then life happened. Pressure showed up. Spiritual warfare got real. And somewhere along the way, my grip got loose. Not completely, but just enough to lose my consistency. So now the question ain't deep, it's honest. What keeps you locked in? And what makes you let go? What makes you pick the axe back up? And what makes you put it down? Because at the end of the day, that tree is still standing, waiting on your decision. And the truth is, it's not coming down until you put both hands on it. And the truth is, it's not coming down until you put both hands on it.